Hello people from Lord Music Academy, I'm Jan Pietri, and today I'm going to show you here how to do this automation I just did in this lead with the filter here. Have a look. Right, so it's a very simple and at the same time a very cool feature. It's interested that you know, so take the time to like and subscribe to this channel so we can keep on bringing cool content for you. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. To do this effect, I'm gonna need a filter or an equalizer. In this case I use this EQ, so I'm gonna insert another one just so that I can show the process from scratch. So yeah, I'm gonna choose this filter. So basically what I need to do is to insert a low pass filter. In this case, I'm gonna double click here on the high end. So it's gonna bring me this high cut filter, okay? It's gonna work more or less like this. So okay, but so actually what I need to do is to create an automation here so that I don't need to do this manually. So to do that, I'm gonna come here to this slot called read, click it, then I'll set either to touch or latch. I'm gonna set to latch for now. If you wanna know the difference between these modes, leave a comment below. So let's write this automation. Okay, so I can hit A here. It's gonna show me the automation I just did if I press the disclosure triangle here. And in this case is the Fab Filter Pro Q here. This is the former automation I had. You can see for this one, I just draw these 2 points. I can do the same to these as well. So this is the frequency. I can set it like this, and this is the Q factor. I can raise a bit as well, like that. I can fine tune here like this too. So yeah, let's see how it sounds. Oh, that's quite cool, right? So one more thing I could do as well, I could apply this effect to the entire mix if I want. So yeah, I have my whole music here. Let me play that from the drop here. So I'm gonna come here to my stereo out and I'm gonna insert the EQ in this channel. So it's gonna apply the effect to the whole mix. Let's see how it sounds. And the process is the same. If I want to automate this, I just click here on read and set to any other mode here to write the automation. In this case, it's going to create a track here so that you can write the automation. Okay, so you can see here stereo out, and I'll just move the parameter here and it's going to write the automation. So if you like this tip, leave a comment below, and you can ask for what kind of content you want to see here on this channel. Okay, so see you